Alright, g'day you ding dongs. So, got a bit of a story. Last night I was heading home from work and I was just coming through Rocky and it was raining, right? So I've got the urge sitting at the lights there to give the old Luxie a bit of a boost around the corner. So I've hit first, taken off nice and steady, then second, and I've hit the band there. And what I thought was going to happen was just a nice little controlled slidey around the corner, 1 o'clock in the morning, no one around, pissing down rain. And anyway, understeer, or so I thought. So that's embarrassing. So I go out, straighten her up, and it doesn't straighten up, it's still going. I'm like, what the fuck's going on? So round the corner, still trying to get it straight. Steering wheel's bent. I'm like, what the hell, man? So I'm worried. Like, I've got 40 minutes to go, 100k zone the whole way. I'm thinking, what the fuck am I going to do here? So straighten it up finally, limp it home, come around the roundabout, and she starting to squeal and chirping tyres all over the place. And I thought there's something wrong here. So then this morning, get back in the car. I thought I'll limp it to the gym and then I'll figure it out. So get in the car, give it a few turns on the steering wheel to try and figure out what the go is. Heard a bit of a clunk. Come out and the fucking steering's falling apart. So tie rod ends come clean out of the joint. Tyres are looking like that. So we're gonna get it apart and see if we can fix this bastard. Anyway. First things first, I've got to try and get this little pin out without busting myself. Gonna need some better tools than the old white tongs. There we go. Alright, so next job is this castle nut. Oh yeah. Right, that's a little bit tougher than oh no, it's not. Got him. And for anyone who's ever tried to get a ball joint apart, you'll know that they can be a bit of a devil. But luckily, I've got a universal persuader, if you may. I just having to think about this, and I think the best way we're going to go about this is to remove that tyre. So I can get the jack under that ball joint, and should be able to get that off then, hopefully. Right. Okay, Mr. Wheelnut. I wasn't asking. Oh yeah. Alright, so I just lost gimbal capability due to batteries, so we're doing it one-handed, which isn't that big of a deal. So I'm just going to put some weight on that. there. And this is where that universal persuader comes into action. Ready? You know what, I think I've got that. Oh yeah. Yep, nailed it. Alright, excellent. That's awesome. That was way easier than I thought. But you know, that shouldn't be doing that, that's for sure. So I've been to the shop to get the new parts, tie rod end and the adjusting sleeve, and you can see that split there. Right, you'd think that the new part would come with the clamps, but it didn't. So there's the old one, and it's been tightened up to buggery, so I'm gonna have to try and
Tommy ran in front of the car on his feet. Down the road, there's one plane that was on the other side
Right, so this stuff here, miracle stuff. And all I'm gonna do is just get that on the rag. All that heavy grease just gets deleted. Could be, and it's probably not as bad for your skin as what the soap is that they provide us at work. Because after 7 days of showering at work, washing all the coal dust and carry on off, it leaves you dry as a nun's nasty. Alright, time to take this thing for a spin and make sure everything's good. And just like that, it's done. The tie rod is now complete and the car is running smoothly. So the job took roughly 5 days, including wait times for parts to come in. And honestly, it was easier than I expected it to be, but you know, it's not always like that. So if you're tackling this yourself, just remember to take your time, stay organised, and don't be afraid to look things up if you get stuck. Even the pros check the manual sometimes. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car repair tips, tricks and DIY fixes. And if you've got any questions or maybe a horror story of your own, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.